How to make a Google Pay wallet without bank account. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Pipin Besant, and today I'll guide you on how you can make or create Google Pay wallet account without bank account. The first things first, here as you can see on the screen, I have opened up my Google Pay here, and here I've set up my account, and I don't have any bank card or any card or banks added here. So basically what you'll have to know is you don't need to have a bank account in order to set up a Google Pay wallet. First things first, you can download the Google Pay or Google Wallet. You want to open it up first, the Google Pay, and it'll ask you to log into your account. Choose your Gmail account or Google account. Once you choose your Google account, it'll ask you to verify using your phone number. You want to verify it with your phone number, and once you verify it, you'll be headed in this page here, and your Google Pay wallet account will be set up. Similarly, once you set up your Google Pay, you can open up your Google Wallet, and there you can log in easily, or it'll auto log in itself using your Google Pay. So this way you can set up Google Pay wallet without bank account. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.